Hello and welcome to Humanities Online. My name is Mr. Briere and I will be your instructor this semester. Now, the first thing I want to talk about in this introductory navigational video is my QuadPod system that you'll find inside of my lecture folder. This contains 4 separate lectures that are more in-depth and related to each week's content. They also will have a video from me that will help you to navigate through them as well. And also, I've got some information outside of my lecture folder that is important for you. A discussion prompt for each week will be included, and I will expect to see you in the discussions. There's a new playlist folder that contains music for your enjoyment. There's an assignment folder for each week, letting you know what is expected of you. And there's also in this week, the first week, a welcome letter with an introduction and a class informational bit of literature that will help you for the remainder of the semester to be successful. So enjoy, and we will see you in the discussions.